are you thinking? Oh, you are taking for the round.
Yeah.
How much does it cost?
Oh, about 250 American dollars.
Oh, 200.
Yes.
Is it expensive?
No, it's cheap.
Yeah. Oh. How many pixels?
What'd you say?
How many pixels?
Oh, 8.
8. Oh, it's cheap.
Yeah, very good.
Oh, can you tell me the price of that laptop?
Laptop?
Yeah.
Oh, I have to find out.
See, very funny and friendly. Oh, I think you have gone there before.
No.
No?
Oh, maybe. Let me see. Yeah, it is okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, if I come here before, it is okay because I look for a watch.
Yeah. Wait till me here. There.
Yeah.